Let's look at the circular pattern next. Go ahead and open up the drawing for this class demonstration. It's a circular drawing. All right, let's go back to our patterns. This time we're going to click circular pattern. And the first thing that we need to do is we need to establish an axis. We could create one, but because these are cylinders, and so what we're going to do is we want to rotate these fins around this cavity here. And because I have all these cylinders, I can simply just click on either a revolve or a surface or whatever. I'm just going to click on this outside. And basically what that establishes is in what direction are we going to rotate these around. So my arrow here is pointing up. That establishes our axes. It shouldn't matter, but I'm going to point that down. Okay, we're going to choose equal spacing, and we're going to do 360 degrees, which means that it's going to space this equally around the whole circle. And we're going to choose 4 instances. Let's go ahead and select the features that we want. We're going to use the flyout tree again, and we're going to do boss extrude 4 and fillet 1 and fillet 3. Come down here and check geometry pattern, and then let's click OK. And you can see there's the fins. Let's look at a couple other things before we close this out. Come back in here to circular pattern, right click, and we're going to edit the feature. If I were to edit this 360 and I put it in 180, you can see that it's because we've got equal spacing checked that now it is still equally spacing those fins out, but now just over 180 degree range. Same if I put in 90. And so that gives us whatever we want. If I were to click reverse, it's just going to flip it, and it's basically like kind of giving it a negative 90. But what I can do is if I leave that at 90, I can change this to instance spacing, and now it's 90 degrees between each instance. And so that's the difference, either an equally spaced or instance spaced. So go ahead and close this and save it. And basically what we're just trying to show you is some flexibility and different ways of doing things. So go ahead, save that, and you're going to hand that in under the circular pattern class demo.